Hey there, it's Bill here with JK Southwest. Welcome back to the channel. I know I always say it, but thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate everybody who's watching. We're here getting fueled up. We're gonna head out another trail ride. Joining me today will be a buddy from work, Shawn. Shawn and his wife Molly recently purchased a Jeep. They put on a 2.5-inch lift and some 35-inch tires, so they're ready to go. They don't have a lot of experience rock crawling or serious off-roading, so we picked a trail today that's going to show them just how capable their Jeep really is. While we're out there, we're going to throw a few tips their way. We'll talk about tire placement, throttle control, how to pick a line, some other stuff. Do you have any other tips for new off-roaders or new rock crawlers? If you do, let me know down in the comments below and we'll get them passed on to them too. So let's finish getting fueled up and go hit the trail. This is definitely one of those sections where some throttle control and picking the right line will come in handy.
Yeah, I told him, I said, I've been thinking.
Look at that, the old Jeep wave, a little three-wheeled action. If they're going to keep off-roading, I can definitely see some sway bar disconnects in their future. At this point you might think you're seeing double, but that's only because Shawn and Mollee chose the best color available for a Jeep. It's hard to go wrong with that billet silver. Shawn's been doing a great job driving. He does have a sport model without lockers, so it does take a little extra work to get them through a couple sections.
Getting a little bit better.
You were worried, huh?
Yeah! You're so far off, you're like, it's about to...
Yeah! Alright, they get a little bigger from here though.
Oh, that was
Oh my god!
a little steeper.